Hello everyone and welcome back to my home. If this is your first time stopping by, I am so glad that you are here. I'm Brienne and here on this channel, I love to share lifestyle and home content and inspiration. We've been doing a lot of DIY here over the last year as we transform our fixer-upper home to be more neutral, organic, and modern. I've also been sharing a ton of room transformations and affordable home refreshes around our house, with lots more to come on that, as well as lots of cleaning and decluttering motivation, and we've started to kind of dabble into the fall content. Next week, I will be sharing my neutral, simple, early fall clean and decorate that will include a few super affordable DIY designer inspired projects for fall. So if you are excited about that, I would love to invite you to hit the red subscribe button today and stick around to be part of our growing YouTube community. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for your continued support. I love getting to know how long you guys have been around, and in my last video I was kind of surprised to hear about how new a lot of you are. So that's why I thought I would just share a little bit of an introduction. Now, I'd love for you to introduce yourself down below in the comments and let me know where you're watching from. We are jumping right into the motivation today. I really needed to get our bedding washed, and I absolutely love feeling like I'm multitasking by having the laundry going while I tackle the mess in other areas of our home. So we will come back to the bedding later on in today's video, as I'm going to do some tidying and cleaning up here in the kitchen first. And I ended up doing some deep cleaning as well as I prep our house for back to school, which I know kind of sounds funny to like prep the house for back to school, but I like to have my cleaning routine and systems in place, just like having the house totally reset and ready for the chaos for the busy days that being back to school brings. The day that you're watching this video, my kids are still actually not quite back in school yet. They don't start until after Labor Day weekend, so we are hanging on to summer, but we're all ready to start getting back into routine. So this upcoming week, we will kind of start that transition to earlier bedtimes, earlier wake times, and just more structure throughout the day in hopes to ease them back into their school routine. I would love to know if you have kids, when do your kids go back to school, or do you homeschool, or like what does that look like for you and your family? We went back to school shopping on this day as well. Now, my kids go to a private school, so there's uniforms, so we don't have to go buy clothes, which is kind of a blessing in disguise. But the girls and I had a ton of fun picking all of their supplies out, their new shoes, new backpacks, and new headphones from today's sponsor, iClever, which I'll be talking about a little bit more later, so stick around if you want to hear more about that. Now, truth be told, my anxiety has been a little high lately with back to school. I'm always so humbled and reminded that these summers are so short. We only get 18 summers with our kids, and I'm just having all of the mama feels as we near closer and closer to another school year. One thing that helps me is ensuring our home is peaceful, and that's why I do a lot of cleaning and organizing and decluttering. It just kind of helps me to feel like I'm creating that cozy space for my family to come home to amidst the chaos. That's also why I like to prep everything and try to plan out as much as possible so that there's just less stress for all of us. Honestly, creating a simple, easy to manage home has been one of the best things that I've done over the last 2 years. It has been a minute since I've wiped down our kitchen cabinets, and I accidentally spilled coffee creamer all over our cabinets this morning, which I did take a paper towel to and wiped it up immediately, but I'm just getting down to like wiping it properly now. If you missed my last video, it was an urge to purge where I did an extreme clean and decluttering session here in our kitchen. We more so focused on the interior of the cabinets though, and the drawers and stuff like that, not like the exterior or the appliances. So it definitely needed to be done, and of course it feels really good to have it all cleaned, as I know once school starts, those first few weeks are always an adjustment for everyone. And like I said, we just function better when the house is clean and tidy, and that creates a ripple effect for our family. With that being said, go ahead, put me up on whatever device, tackle your mess with me. I feel like I've been super chatty, but go ahead and get it done, whether you are folding that load of laundry, tackling the dishes, whatever it is. I'm gonna play some music and let's get it done together. Like I previously mentioned, I wanted to wipe down the appliances, so we did the exterior appliances as well as our backsplash by the sink here, and then the window area. The last thing that has been on my to-do list for here in the kitchen was to deep clean our kitchen sink. We're going to finish this up here, and then we're gonna head back to school shopping and over to my in-laws to grab some flowers to really spruce up our dining room for a little like DIY project, if you will, as we kind of transition from summer to fall. Is there anything better than when the heart of the home is clean, decluttered, and just totally spotless? I think not. Okay, we're heading over to my in-laws' house now to snip some of their hydrangeas. I've been wanting to do this for literal weeks, and I'm a little new to the game, but we're gonna do it anyway and grab some of these flowers, and now we're going to dry them out to use them for a transitional fall centerpiece on our dining room table. A new part for us about going back to school as we head into the bigger grades are wired headphones. We got these beautiful ones from today's sponsor, iClever. iClever offers a wide range of children's headphones. We got these two beautiful pink and purple colors that the girls each picked out themselves, and they were so excited to receive. I don't know about you, but my favorite part about back to school was going shopping for all of the supplies, and my kids feel the same. As you can see, these are so well made. They're super affordable and comfortable with the pillow soft earmuff and over the ear design. With the adjustable headband, it helps them to stay in place with no fuss. The sound quality is so good and perfect for your little one's ears due to the safe volume levels it provides. For us, our kids are not quite old enough to understand the damage that a lot of headphones can do, so it truly gives me a peace of mind knowing that iClever offers a premium stereo sound at a limited decibel level for your little one's hearing protection. This offers a safe, clear sound in a noisy environment, whether it's in your classroom, next to your sibling, a car ride, or even on the airplane. We opted for the wired headphones due to our school's regulations, and the cables are not only super durable, but the cords are long enough and don't get tangled, which is perfect for long-term use and not having to constantly be worried about having to replace the headphones. We all know how young kids can be on things. These are compatible with a cell phone, laptop, Chromebook, tablet, Switch, and more. I also love that iClever provides a safe listening program where they donate iClever kids headphones to different schools. Thank you so much to iClever for sponsoring today's video. Make sure that you go and check out their headphones. You can get them on Amazon, and I will link them down below. To dry out these hydrangeas, I didn't realize how simple the process is. You just take the leaves off of the stems and then let them dry out for about 3 weeks, and apparently they'll last for like up to a year. So we're letting them dry in the vase here on our dining room table, and I think that they just really help to soften this space while adding that perfect transitional piece from summer to fall. We searched and searched for backpacks for the girls with little to no success. After spending time searching online and realizing how limited our options were where we live, we ended up going to our local Sport Chek and seeing what they had in store, and the girls wanted to match and ended up getting the same backpack. So that'll be fun. Hopefully we don't mix those up. Now, we don't do new backpacks every year. We only do them as we kind of need them. Both of their backpacks were ripped from last year, so they did both need a new one, but they will be using the same lunch boxes and water bottles from last year. So this just kind of helps me to keep things simple and easier to maintain. Now, I do love their lunch boxes and water bottles, so I will be sure to link everything that I can that we have and just kind of my favorite back to school items if you are on the hunt and still need a few things. Moving back into our primary bedroom, it was so dusty in here. I've been opening up our windows more now that the days and the evenings are a little bit on the cooler side. So things just kind of got a little bit dustier. I'm using my handy dandy Enyo glove all over our furniture, and then we will grab our fresh sheets out of the dryer and make our bed. Again, another way that I keep things really simple is we actually do not have an extra set of sheets for our primary bedroom. We just have the one set, and it helps to keep things out of the closets, out of like having to store them, and it just really helps up free a lot of space. Thank you so much to iClever again for sponsoring today's video. If you have little kids, go check them out on Amazon. Again, I'll leave the link down below for you in the description box, or you can just go to Amazon and search iClever and they will show up. Thank you again for being here today and spending some time with me. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out as a smaller creator, and we will see you next week for a simple early fall clean and decorate. Bye.